In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Flower. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, hit consent, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those wallpaper options however you want to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options to decide where you wish to apply it. Then go back. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!